This is a page from a 2009 Harley Davidson catalog, and it shows Harley's HD360 line of oils. These are all conventional oils or dyno oil, and they were available in 60 weight, 50 weight, 20 weight, 50, and 10W40. And Harley also offered a synthetic blend oil called Syn 3 that was available in 20 weight, 50, but I don't have a picture of that. And then at the bottom here, they have this ambient temperature recommended oil chart, which just shows you what oil you should use for what outside temperature. And the go-to oil for cold weather riding was 10W40, and it was recommended to use in temperatures below 40 degrees Fahrenheit down to about -15. And then in sometime between 2011 and 2014, Harley Davidson replaced their synthetic blend oil with a fully synthetic oil, which you see here, also called Syn 3, and it was part of their Screamin' Eagle line. And then between 2014 and 2016, I believe, they discontinued the 10W40 motor oil, and that changed that ambient temperature recommended oil chart. This chart is what you will see in new Harley Davidson motorcycle owner manuals, and it shows the oils offered by Harley Davidson. And they offer 3 dyno oils available in 20 weight, 50, 50, and 60 weight. And then they have the one Syn 3 fully synthetic available in 20 weight, 50. And the lowest ambient temperature for these oils is found with the fully synthetic Syn 3, and it's 30.2 degrees Fahrenheit. So any Harley Davidson doesn't offer an oil for any riding conditions that are colder than 30.2 degrees Fahrenheit. They do up here say that if you're unable to get the Harley Davidson oil, that you should use an oil formulated for diesel engines with these API certifications or standards, and then they give you some recommended viscosities. But after that, they say at first opportunity, see an authorized dealer to change back to 100% Harley Davidson oil. So I don't know. For temperatures below 30 degrees Fahrenheit, is Harley Davidson recommending you use an oil formulated for diesel engines? And if that's true, what's the rush to switch back to Harley Davidson oil? Or are they saying you shouldn't ride your Harley Davidson motorcycle in temps below 30.2 degrees Fahrenheit? I don't know the answer to that. Anyway, if you are a Harley Davidson owner and you ride your bike in winter months, let everyone know in the comments section what oil you use and what viscosity.